So I switch to another supply. It's more gentle, not like the first one, but it still do the same job, similar job, no problems. So you can see the difference. Now we're gonna try the main stuff that it's designed for. It's a stainless. That's it. Just a second. So we've got stainless here. One more time, all set up cost me no more than $50 for everything. Including solution, wiring, and actual current supplier. So you can see the quality. So here's an ability of the system. Here you can see the difference. Just one more time, just this particular spot. So the difference is obvious. It works for stainless the best, so this is what it's been designed for, but actually it's got an ability to do other metals like mild steel, no problems. A little bit of brass, just making it a bit cleaner than it used to be before. It used to be like that, now it's like that. So it's two different setups for two different metals, though both setups work for stainless perfectly, no problems, and they're very cheap and affordable for any one of you. So very soon I'm gonna do some updates on my website, so you would be able to access this information and build similar setup for yourself as well. Thank you. Bye.